This is Bob Davis 321. Hopefully demonstrating the Inmoov head with the servos. I'm right now using adapters, but I've had so many problems getting this thing going. I'm running it from an Arduino Uno COM port, and anyways, servo 1 should be the eyes. We'll move it to 70. It's down. And that should move eyes up. Back to normal. Then we'll go to servo 2. Move it down to 60 and 120. Then back to 90. It's the eyes. Now go to the, remember right, it's the mouth. Okay. I'll go to servo 4, which is the head turn. Hold it in place just so it doesn't lose it. And that's using a standard size servo with a servo plate adapter. And then the big question of all, will the up-down work? Aha. I thought I burned the servo up, but it turns out it was a bug in the program. So there you have it, 5 servos all working. See if I can get in there well and show you the in fact, I'm using a normal servo, and right here where my finger is where you have to modify the mounting. I'm right now 3D printing my mod to that so that that servo can move that way enough to fit. So basically we're using a standard servo. The plan comes from Tinkercad servo bracket. How do I get out of there? By Connorth, C-O-N-N-O-R-T-H, Inmoov standard servo adapter horn. Allows you to put in a standard servo, but this plate needs to be modified ever so slightly, or you can move that servo the other direction, but then the gears don't line up flat. So that's all for now.